Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one with the negative sign here. So s will multiply by this one and we have s to the power of 3 minus sy square minus s square. This one we have negative s square y plus y to the power of 3. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. The cube over the s because we have dy in here. And this one we have negative 2sy. And we see that this one and this one they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one. So I will put this one gone here. 3sy. So first, the integration of s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of 4 over 4. The next one s square over 2. The next one s to the power of 3 over 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0 in here. So this one we can simplify like this. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we simplify negative s square y for the both sides. And now we just have y to the power of 3. Now we need to do integration for the both sides. And we have like this. Now we go back in here. So we see that the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one, and I will put this one gone here. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And we can simplify like this. Now we have the conditions. So we put s equal to number 2, y equal to number 0 gone here to find the value of c. And we have 4 over 3. So I will put 4 over 3 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.